Let's divide the fractions 1½ by 1¼ and simplify our results. To do it, we'll take each mixed number and convert it to an improper fraction. Once we have an improper fraction, we'll use our rules for dividing fractions to find the result. Now, to convert each of these mixed numbers to improper fractions, we'll multiply the denominator by the whole part and then add that to the numerator and write that over the denominator. In other words, 2 times 1 plus 1 over 2, and take this divided by, and 4 times 1 plus 1 over 4. 4 times 1 plus 1 over 4. Using order of operations, 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 becomes the fraction 3 over 2. Divide that by 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 becomes 5/4. Now we are ready to use our rules for dividing fractions to divide these two improper fractions. The rules for dividing fractions is that we'll write the first fraction again, but invert the second fraction, write it upside down. So instead of 5/4, this becomes 4/5. And division, we see, becomes multiplication. Now we are left with a multiplying problem. In order to multiply these two fractions, we'll first reduce the numerators and denominators. We see that 2 goes into 2 once and into 4 twice. So we're left with the fraction 3 over 1 multiplied by the fraction 2 over 5. Next, we see to multiply fractions, we'll multiply the numerators and the denominators. So we get 3 times 2 over 1 times 5. Multiplying these out, we'll get 6 over 5. As an improper fraction, our answer is 6 over 5. Since the problem began as a mixed number, maybe we should write it as a mixed number answer. To do that, we'll divide 5 into 6, leaving 1 whole time. And as 5 divides into 6, we have a remainder of 1 left over. So our remainder of 1 out of what we were dividing by. 6/5 converted back to a mixed number would be 1 1/5. Depending on the directions and how we want to write the answer is either the improper fraction 6/5 or the mixed number 1 1/5.